Hello everyone. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable frame generation on almost any GPU, in almost any game, for very little cost. This method works even if your graphics card doesn't officially support frame generation, and it can massively improve how smooth your games feel, especially on older or mid-range hardware. The first thing you'll need to do is download Lossless Scaling. It costs about $10 on Steam, and this is the key tool we'll be using to make this work. Once it's installed, open the program and you'll see a list of different options and settings right away. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming at first, because you only need to change a few important things. Before doing anything else, make sure the game you want to use this with is running in borderless windowed mode. This is very important because frame generation will not work in exclusive full screen mode. You can usually change this inside the game's display or graphics settings. Once that's done, keep the game closed for now and go back to Lossless Scaling. Inside the app, you can choose a scaling mode if you want, which works like an upscaler. You can use FSR, NVIDIA scaling, or other available methods, but this part is optional. The main feature we care about here is frame generation. Look for the LSFG option, and make sure it's set to version 3.0. With LSFG 3.0 enabled, lossless scaling can generate up to 4 frames for every rendered frame. I personally recommend using the X2 option because it offers smoother gameplay without introducing too many artifacts or input delay. X4 can work, but it's better to test it slowly and see how your system handles it. Keep the resolution scale unchanged and turn VSync on or off depending on what feels best for you. You'll also see a max frame latency setting. Increasing this value can make gameplay feel smoother, but it may slightly increase input lag, so it's a trade-off. If your monitor supports HDR, you can enable HDR support here as well. One of the most important settings in this menu is the Capture API. Make sure it's set to WGC, because other capture APIs can cause bugs, stuttering, or inconsistent frame pacing. Once everything is set up, launch your game, press the scale button inside Lossless Scaling, and frame generation will activate automatically. You should immediately notice smoother motion and higher perceived frame rates, even in games that normally struggle to run well. Before you go, one quick tip. If you're downloading tools, mods, or games from different regions, keeping your connection secure really matters. I personally use NordVPN to protect my data and avoid region-based issues while gaming and downloading, and you can check it out using the link in the description.